Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. Hi friends, today's question is about the hero of object oriented programming language. So the question is, what is an object in Java? So an object is an instance of class. It holds real values and lets you run class methods. If car is a class, then my car is equal to new car creates an object. Here my car is an object. So objects allows code reusability, modularity and better structure. So you can mention object is equal to state plus behavior. Mention real world mapping like student, book or bank account. Simple examples work wonders in interview. So if this clicked, like, subscribe to Java Python Interview Hub, your shortcut to Java mastery. Thank you guys.